In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Etsy shop URL. Your shop URL is the link you can share with customers so they can go directly to your storefront without having to search for you by name. This is really useful for adding to social media profiles, business cards, email signatures, or anywhere else you promote your shop. Let's walk through exactly where to find it inside your Etsy account and how to copy it properly. First, make sure you're logged into your Etsy seller account in a web browser. Once you're signed in, go to your Shop Manager dashboard. You can get there by clicking on Shop Manager from the main Etsy navigation. This will open the main control panel where you manage your orders, listings, messages, and all the behind-the-scenes parts of your business. Give the page a second to load fully because the area we need is right at the top of this dashboard. Now, once you're on the Shop Manager dashboard, look towards the very top of the page. You should see a greeting that says something like "Good afternoon" or "Good morning," followed by your name. Directly underneath that greeting, Etsy displays your shop name and, importantly, your shop URL. This is the link that leads straight to your shop's public page. It usually looks like a standard web address with the Etsy domain followed by your unique shop identifier. Take a moment to double check that this is indeed your shop homepage by quickly glancing at the text next to the link. It should clearly reference your shop. If you have more than one shop under the same account, make sure you're in the correct shop manager for the shop you want to share. To copy the URL, look for the small link or chain icon that appears next to your shop address. This icon is designed specifically to make copying your URL easy. Click on that link icon once. When you do, Etsy will automatically copy the full shop URL to your clipboard in the correct format. There's no need to highlight the text manually. After clicking, you can paste the link wherever you need it, into a document, a social media bio, a message to a customer, or a browser tab to test it. If you want to be extra sure it works, paste it into a new browser window and hit enter to confirm it takes you to your shop's main page. And that's all.